We actually got one on, first cast. Nice pink. I kept yelling at him to set the hook. There's one. Don't want to let him get under those trees.
Come on. Walk with it. Walk back with it.
He's not.
Is that on the ugly stick?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Goodness. Nice fish. Whoa, that's a big fish. There he is. I think this one's a male. Hope you guys can see that. One sec, Jackson. I got it. I'll be able to land it. Not worried about this one.
Oh my god. That's a good one.
There he is. Ooh, this one's got some nice characteristics on it. This is a beautiful fish. There he is. Take a couple pictures, put him back in the water. Got another one on. There's one. Man, that was cool. I saw this one bite it. The whole thing. I think it's another male though. Ooh, that might be a female. No, it's a male. Hey, got one. What is it? It's a smolt. Got one. Nice one. I am. There we go. Whoa. Got it. Yeah, it is. Possibly. Oh, come. It's a buck. Oh dang, that is a nice one. Nice fish. Alright, just casting into this hole. Got a dandy of a pink right there. Great fish. Got him right on the pink jig, right in the roof of the mouth. I just barely hooked him. You can see that right there. But regardless, another fish on the bank. Stay tuned for more fishing action. Wow, that happened quick. Dang, fishing's good. They got any push with this rain. Also starting to get a hump. Jeez, calm down. Johnny, I'm gonna put you back in the water if you just stop. Just for 2 seconds, calm down. Okay, there you go. Nice fish. Nice fish. Nice pink. Now let's get back in the water. Well, I just landed another one. I'm not sure if I got it on video though because the GoPro died right in the middle of fighting it in, but anyways, there it is. There's the jig she came on. It's a nice chrome hen. It's got all these sea lice right here and a bunch of them right there. That's how you know it's a fresh fish. We're gonna keep fishing, try and catch another one. Stay tuned. Well, we're out here fishing and it is pouring, but we have fire. Nice fire we got going, and we are cooking up some nice bacon. Got some eggs, some other stuff. We're gonna be eating okay, but we gotta go catch the fish. They're right out there. Oh, we've got 3 in the box. Yep, 3 in the box. It's always a nice day when you have 3 in the box. Alright, so what we're doing here to catch these pink salmon, they're early runs, so they're all chrome. They're not super easy to catch, but when you do catch them, they're a good fight, and they're nice, good eating fish for pinks as far as that is. And they got eggs for fishing, for steelhead, and whatever you want if you cure them. But what I'm doing is I've got a llama glass with a fluger reel. I got an 8'6" medium rod. It's just an X11 llama glass. And then I'm just going straight yellow braid to my pink jig. Basically any pink jig will work, but then we're casting into these holes over here like this. And then we're just taking it and we're just jigging it about 2 feet off the bottom, right over them. If you can see them, which we've been able to see them, that's really helpful, because then you can cast right in front of them, let it drift right past them. And then one will usually split off the group, follow it for a second and grab it, and you set the hook and fight it in. But basically that's what we've been doing this trip. We've been trying different size jigs and everything. This one's the one that's been working the best though, just a plain pink jig. We caught a couple on like a reddish pink jig with a fisheye weight. But other than that, really just throwing these guys, catching lots of pinks. Caught 7 this trip, 2 last night, and then 5 this morning. And just had a good trip, caught a lot of fish, and as always, tie lines.